Welcome artists, in this video we're going to learn how to draw a Zentangle pumpkin. The materials you'll need are a pencil and eraser, white paper and a colored construction paper, Sharpie, whatever you want to color with, scissors, glue stick, and an optional ruler. The elements of art that we will use to create our pumpkin are line, shape, value, and color. Your I can statement today is I can draw a Zentangle pumpkin using the elements of art, line, shape, value, and color. So let's talk a little bit about what a Zentangle is. The classic definition of a doodle, well, the kind that we interpret anyway, is a drawing done without full attention, sometimes out of boredom, while a Zentangle is very focused on creating a particular pattern, designs, and mindfulness. It's a form of meditative doodling. To begin your pumpkin, we're going to use our pencil and our eraser as well as our paper landscape style. We're going to begin by drawing a very skinny oval shape in the middle of our paper. Next, we're going to draw a curved line coming out of the right side of that oval. And repeating that same step on the left-hand side, essentially drawing a very skinny C-like shape of a curved line. We're going to continue this process back and forth on each side of our pumpkin. I'm going to draw one more on my left-hand side and one more on my right-hand side to complete my pumpkin. Now I'm going to create my stem, so I'm going to draw another oval. And then I'm going to attach that stem with curved lines that touch the top of the pumpkin that I just drew. Then to give it a little bit more form, making it a little bit more 3D, I'm just going to add a couple of little curved lines that sort of connect that pumpkin . Next, I'm going to add a little vine coming out of my pumpkin stem by just creating a looped line. I'm just going to draw a couple more lines in my stem for some details. Next, grab your black Sharpie or marker and begin to trace all the lines that you just drew. Here are some examples of Zentangle designs that I've also linked to this video to help get your creative juices flowing. The design possibilities are endless. So go ahead and choose a few sections of your pumpkin that you would like to create these designs or doodles in, leaving a few areas blank or empty to later on fill in with color and value. Zentangle design should be a calming and meditative practice as you fill in your pumpkin with these beautiful and unique designs. Next, grab your black Sharpie and begin tracing in all of your beautiful Zentangle designs. Next, I want to make my pumpkin look a little bit more three-dimensional, giving it form instead of looking flat on my paper. To achieve this, I'm going to use my colored pencils to shade my pumpkin, giving it value, making part of the object darker and part of it lighter. To create value, go ahead and press more firmly as you shade and color the top and bottom of your pumpkin, lessening the force to lighten up the color as you work your way towards the middle. Once I'm finished coloring and shading my pumpkin, I'm going to grab a black piece of construction paper, my scissors, and my glue stick and cut out my pumpkin. Now I'm going to cut out around the pumpkin instead of right on the lines so that I don't cut off my little vine. Once I have successfully cut out my pumpkin, I am going to get my glue stick or glue bottle and put it on the back. Now if you're using a glue bottle, remember, a little dot goes a long way. Don't make a mess. If you're using your glue stick, I like to make sure that I cover the entire surface to make sure that it really adheres to whatever it is that it's sticking to. You're going to carefully flip it over without making a mess. Find the placement on the paper that you would like to put it, and then gently press it down so it sticks. Well done, my most amazing artist. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing.